Hey guys, are you looking for an easier way to simplify your DIY projects? So no matter if you're painting walls, if you're painting fences, or like furniture, trying to get in between all of those little railing parts or outside with the railings on like a deck, this is going to make your life so much easier. So this is a cordless sprayer, paint sprayer. It comes with the charger and it comes with an 18-volt battery. So let's go ahead and just slide this on here. So really nice that it comes with the battery. This is very powerful. There's also a couple different spray patterns that you can do. You can do an oval pattern. So if you're doing that oval pattern and you want to go horizontal, you're going to keep the nozzle vertical. So you're really going to maximize the surface area that you're going to paint. You can switch it to easily. You just loosen this here and you can switch the nozzle. And then that way, if you want to, so that's vertical, and then we can just go from side to side. This has a little trigger button, so you can control how fast or how slow that paint's coming out. So if you're just starting out, you can just lightly press that trigger and go from there. It also has this nice canister here, and everything is detachable. So let me just show you. So push down, and then we're just going to go ahead and wiggle this out. All of this comes apart. So cleaning wise, that's the downfall of paint sprayers, but this comes apart in every little piece. So you can take off this nozzle completely, and this actually comes with 3 different spraying tips. So really, maximize your space depending on the paint viscosity. So I'm just gonna go ahead and screw that back together. There's also a circle pattern as well. So if you're trying to really get in those corners or like do a pattern or hard to reach area, you can switch that pattern to a circle and really, get that area that you need to. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. And you can see how easy that came apart. Let's just put it back. So slide this back in and you can hear that little click. So here are the other 2 spray nozzles, so you can switch them out as needed depending on what your needs are. And then we'll go ahead and just put the paint guy back in here, screw that on, and ready to go. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and paint some walls, update some of our living areas, so you guys enjoy.
Finish your DIY home projects quick and easy, faster than a paintbrush and roller. With this wide mouth paint canister, easy cleanup, no spills. Simply add your favorite paint and connect to the cordless paint sprayer and you're good to go.